stop here because it's the firehouse, and look at this one. Look at this one. Flashes, but can't yield. Could flash, but not yield. You know, it's like, come on, man. This is. But like I said, I'm alright with that. I'm alright with doing that. I'm alright with going back to command. This is part of the whatever. It may ain't my travel, but that's fine. Look at this motherfucker. Look at this. Wow. Straight up ate the light. Look at this one too. Suit. Unbelievable. You see this? You probably even the light two of these cars weren't coming.